Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. Today's video is going to be the part 2 of my closet organization slash prepping for the tour. In the last video, I left off with my blanket, which most of you guys know I have been wanting this blanket for so long. So I just want to say thank you for the feedback on that video. Today, what I'm going to be doing is sharing the process of getting everything into the closet. As I mentioned in that previous video, I did remove all of the wood painted white shelvings that was previously in the closet. What I ended up doing is going to a glass store locally here in Savannah, and I had them cut the glass. The glass is essentially shaped like a diamond, and what I'm doing is placing all of the glass shelving inside of the corner unit. Once it's inside the corner unit, I can then do measurements of the handbags and figure out the height that I'm going to need to ensure that the handbags and also my jewelry display items fit into the corner unit. I highly recommend that when you're working in your closet that you have a measuring tape handy. That way you can measure the height of your shoes, you can measure the height of your bottles or even your handbags, and you know exactly how much space you're going to be needing. The really beautiful thing about my closet is although the shoe rack is very stationary, I cannot move the shelving. The corner unit offers a lot more flexibility. When it was being built, I did ask the carpenter to keep that feature there. That way I had a little bit more flexibility with what I can put into that unit, even if I opted to put clothes or whatever in there. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. Now that I have all of the shelvings securely in place, I'm going with a little bit of spray weight glass cleaner and I'm wiping down the shelves. Now let me just say, she a little short, honey, but I am making sure that I'm wiping it down once with the product, and then I go in twice with a very clean, dry towel to make sure that it's not wet so I don't damage anything. And then once I get the shelvings cleaned off and I'm like 100% sure that it's clean, I'm gonna go ahead and start placing my handbags inside of the closet. That is probably the most satisfying thing about this whole thing, is knowing that all of my items are going to have a home and be in a place and just overall be extremely organized. This is the part that I love, but I hate, because I have a lot of jewelry stuff. And you guys, for those of you guys that are not new to my channel, this is not gonna look new whatsoever. But for those of you guys that are new, I went through a phase, and I'm still in that phase of like really nice big necklaces. This is two separate pieces, but I just put them together so when I'm storing them, they get stacked. I know right now they probably don't look like much, but like if I'm wearing like a black bottom and a white top and I put this on, it's really, really pretty. I have a thing for necklaces. This one here came from a local artist in Atlanta. She made everything handmade. The boutique that I got it from actually shut down. I think I'm gonna end up changing the string later on to something else, but I do love it. And if you're wondering, I think I had mentioned this before, but all these pieces right here, they actually came from a store was closing in Savannah, and I happened to, you know, back in the day when Craigslist was like the thing to do, I Craigslist them, and they were like, they were selling everything, and I went with a friend to go pick it up. Ooh, you guys, you see? Like, this bracelet here is like so pretty. Everything is J. Crew. And for the pieces that aren't J. Crew, it's Lulu Frost. But I really overall love, 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 love these pieces. I think I was meant to have a daughter because I have all these things, these girly things. Watch out, I had a daughter, she wouldn't be like girly at all. She'd be like, whatever. Like, Mom, why are you so extra? Because I was like that with my mom. Like, oh my gosh, why are you being so extra? And now I'm like, Mom, let me see that. Ah, it's too funny. Ooh. This is like so really pretty. Like this right here. I'm sure it's probably dated, but the fact that everything is like still intact, it's like just like my favorite little piece of jewelry right here. Ooh, you guys, I wore this for my birthday when I turned 33 or something like that. I think it was. I think I turned when I turned 32, I wore this for my birthday. I remember this. Anyway, let me just go ahead and put everything up. Look at these. It's like crazy. I got it down. think I got it down, y'all. I think I got it down. My friend was saying for me to do something. I can't remember exactly what she was saying, but I'm happy that I didn't throw away my boxes, because I am going to just do the boxes up here like this. That way, I'm already kind of running out of space in the corner. I can just kind of add them. I don't want the bags touching the paint, because I am concerned that I did paint the closet myself. I still have to get pulls and knobs and stuff, you guys. It's so crazy, but it's coming together, y'all. It's coming together. I don't want to show you what the front of the house is looking like. We're just gonna talk about the back, and right now the back is all together. Oh, hold on a second. Let me close the door real quick. Look at this. I love the ceiling. Like, this is good. My vanity's a hot mess. I'm about to clean it off right now. You guys, I totally forgot to come back in and show you guys how everything is looking. The good thing is I'm gonna clear this rack. I had a photo thing, I took it out, but thus far this is what the room looks like at night. That's what it looks like. It's not as glamorous at night. It just looks like a lot of clothes in his room, but it's pretty big. But this is what it looks like.